Hey everybody, welcome back to Get Joyful. I'm here in the kitchen with my girl Sela. We're playing around with some new summer recipes. And you know, just when this little bear cub thought she knew everything about berries, we encountered the wheat berry.
Mom, what in the world is a wheat berry?
Well, sweetheart, a wheat berry grows in the prairie fields. It's a whole grain. It's full of fiber and other nutrients that are really good for your belly, your heart, and your brain. Do you want to try one?
Yeah, yummy.
They're delicious, right? This salad is wholeheartedly satisfying. Nutty wheat berries and crunchy edamame are the perfect protein pairing. And look, it keeps all the seeds.
Yeah, so I can plant these in our backyard. Juicy peppers.
Fresh veggies and a bright citrus vinaigrette make it the ideal meal on the go. Well, we had a great time making this wheat berry salad. I've actually made a few extra wheat berries to freeze because they incorporate into so many delicious recipes. If you would like to make this delicious summer salad, visit our blog for the full recipe, and don't forget
To fill up on family time.